Good evening, everyone. I am Valankani Fernandez from Kolmarod Navali, Margao constituency. Today, we had election roll drive in Navali church premises organized by Savio. Had gone to check our names where I noticed my husband, my daughters and my name was not there in the roll. It was very disappointing to see that. Then I immediately called Savio and he said he will look into this matter. My simple question is, even after being a Indian citizen and a frequent voter, no one has the right to deny our voting power. I demand an answer from the concerned authorities. Thank you.
My name is Valerie Fernandez. I am from Navali Kolmarod from the Margao constituency, and this video is regarding me questioning the authorities. Since I've already turned 18 and I'm eligible to vote, as well as I've already filled every document that is required for voting during the SIR period, my question to the authority is, why is my name still not there on the roll? I demand you all to take action and do the needful. Thank you.
पार्टी मुगे पार्लियामेंट इलेक्शन हांवें मुगे नांव वाचलोलें आनी मागीर सडनली नांव तें डिसअपियर्ड जालें मागीर हांवें तुका बीएलओ इन्फॉर्म केलें तो येयलो घरा कडेन बीएलओ आनी मागीर तुवें मुगे सगळें नेसेसरी डॉक्युमेंट तुवें सायन करून तुवें वयले फोटो वयले फॉर्म भरले मागीर आयज हांव परतून चोवपाक गेलो इगोर्जे कडेन मुगे फॉर्म ना मागीर तुगे हांव घरा को भियेलो तुगे घरा को येयलो तुगे घरा को तूं म्हाका मेळना म्हणून हांव मागीर पोत गेलो मुगे म्हाका नांव येयलो जाय ते मुगे हेजेर फॉर्माचेर थिंगा आतां मुन्सिपालिटी इलेक्शन जाता थिंगा मुगे आसूच ना मागीर हांव मागीर कितें करतलो
आम्ही कार्यालय रावता 2021 सान रावता 2001 सान रावता 25 जाले आमकां आनी लास्ट टायम आमी MP इलेक्शनाक वोटींग केल्लें आनी आमगेलें आतां वोटींग डीड जाला आतां आमकां ते आमी एनरोल फॉर्म भरून निलेशाक ते BL आसा पळय ताका भरून दिल्ले आमी तो आमकां कांय कॉपी दिवना तो आतां आमकां आतां आमी हांगा गिरेज चर्ची कडेन आमी एक मिटींग आहली थिंग गेल्लो चॅक करपाक ते थिंग चॅक केल्यार आमगे वोटींग कार्ड डिलीट जाला आमी टोटल 4 जाणां आसा आमकां टोटल 4 जाणांचे डिलीट जाला आमकां अशें कित्याक करता आमकां हरेसमेंट कित्याक करता तुमी आमकां परतून आमगे इलेक्शना काडप तुमगे रोला भितर आमकां परतून आमगेलें नांव घालपाक जाय तुमी हांव तुमचे कडेन रिक्वेस्ट करता
वोटींग कार्ड म्हणजे वोट घालता इतले वर्स जाली म्हणजे आतां वोटींग नांव ना कित्याक ना म्हणून हांव विचारपाक आयलें हांगा आख्यान आसा हे वोटिंगाची एक चलता आसली ग्रूप आसली हांव आयलें मागीर तातूंत म्हजें नांव ना कित्याक ना म्हणजे इतले पयरची वर्स वोट घातले आतां कित्याक ना म्हजें नांव जाय म्हणून हांव चवकाशी करता कित्याक ना म्हणजे अशी म्हणून हांव चवकाशी करपाक आयलें कित्या खातीर म्हजें नांव काडलें म्हणून हांव प्रूफ आसा म्हजें आधार कार्ड आसा वोटींग कार्ड आसा सगळें आसा म्हजें नांव कित्याक चेंज हें काडलें म्हाका म्हजें प्रूफ जाय म्हजें जाय म्हाका इलेक्शन कार्ड.
Today we had this voter roll verification campaign sort of, wherein we made available the electoral rolls of Margao as well as Navali at Rosary Church. Right now we are at Carmelite Monastery, and we made rolls available at 4 locations: Rosary Church Navali, Grace Church Margao, Carmelite Monastery, and Saint Sebastian Church Ake. The main purpose for this voter verification is to facilitate the voters of both these constituencies to verify whether they are existing on the rolls or not. And in that we have also, voters have also realized that their names are not there. Quite a few number of voters who had visited our locations have realized that they are not existing on the voter list for some reason or the other. So we have also assured them that we will help them to see that their names come back on the rolls, and we will provide them the necessary forms. We appeal to the remaining people because within one day the entire lot of voters cannot come and check the thing. So we appeal that till the 9th of March which is the last day to file appeals, we call upon all the voters to please check whether their names are there on the rolls or not. Because one fine day, when elections come, you may go to the polling station and you may find that your name doesn't exist on the voter roll. So we appeal to all the voters of Naveli as well as Margao, or for that matter entire Goa, to verify whether your names are there or existing on the roll or not. Because total of 1,27,000 voters all over Goa have been deleted, and on an average around 4,000 voters per constituency, which is quite a huge number. We don't mind if ineligible voters are deleted, but genuine voters who are existing in the constituency, existing in the part, should not be deleted. This is our strong message, and we call upon all the people to please verify your names on the rolls, whether they are existing or not. You can even take the option of visiting the Election Commission website to check whether your name is there or not. So I am very thankful to all my teams. This initiative was under the Shadow Council for Margao banner, and I am very much thankful to all the teams of Rosary Church, Grace Church, Advocate Snehal, Damodar Onskar, Camilo Camara, Carmelite Monastery, Lincoln Gomes, Professor John Ribello, Lalan Parsekar, Clifford Dias, and Anwar Naru, and all others. I may have missed out some names, but our entire team, all the 4 teams, worked very hard to assist the people to check their names on the rolls. And we once again call upon all the people to please check your names whether they exist on the rolls or not, because it is no point. I mean, there will not be any point crying when you find your name is not existing at the time of polling. Thank you very much.
It gives me pleasure that today Savio took an initiative under his Shadow Council banner. Under that banner, as he has told, that Tanachar Kodeng Dorilem, Margao area, Naveli area. We are here in Naveli constituency. And from morning 8:30, this drive will be going on till 11:30, I think 12, because looking at the response, I am overwhelmed with the response, especially our surrounding areas like Margao and Naveli voters who have come, and awareness that people are coming and they are very eager to know whether their names are there or deleted, because we all know SIR लागून सुमार 1,42,000 कितें नावां कट केल्लीं आसा. आनी जशें साबियोन सांगलें तशें this is important because there is few days are left where if your name is deleted you can go and appeal, because there is hardly any time remaining, hardly 7 days or 8 days are remaining. So people are getting, आणि कितल्या जाणांचें नांव कॅन्सल जालां तांकां आमी आतां करून दिल्लें आसा, आणि जायते जाणांचे ट्रान्सफरूय केल्लें आसा तेंय आमी करून दिल्लें आसा. So this was a good this thing, and the response was overwhelming. Thank you people of Margao, thank you people of Naveli. God bless you.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.